Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and yep, you guessed it, it is time to get cooking. And today I am making Beanie Weenies. It just makes me laugh to say that. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I love some Beanie Weenies. It just puts a smile on my face. There's just something about them. It's literally baked beans with cut up hot dogs, but I like to use little smokies instead of the hot dogs. So these are some fancy Beanie Weenies. I'm just saying. They're so easy. They're simple, kid-friendly. They're just delicious. So let me go over the ingredients that you will need to make Beanie Weenies. So like I said, I like to use the little smokies, and this is a 14-ounce package of little smokies, but you can absolutely use the hot dogs if you want to do that. Then this is 2 slices of bacon that I have cut into pieces, 1/4 cup of chopped onion, 2 16-ounce cans of pork and beans, 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and then 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and pepper and dried mustard. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take my bacon, add it to a large skillet, and I'm going to fry this up till it's nice and crispy. All right, so my bacon is crispy. I'm going to go ahead and add my onion. I'm just going to cook this onion till it becomes tender and translucent. All right, then I'm going to go ahead and add my pork and beans. And I'm going to add the Worcestershire sauce and the brown sugar and the seasonings. And I'm going to add the ketchup. All right, so I am taking my little smokies and I'm cutting them into thirds. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. I just like smaller bite-sized pieces. You can leave them whole if you want. It's up to you. All right, then I'm just going to add all the little smoky pieces. Then I'm pouring them into a baking dish. All right, then all you need to do is bake them in a 375-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. Da-da-da, Beanie Weenies. They are done. Yum, yum. All right, guys, come and check these out. Beanie Weenies. Oh, those are so good. I mean, come on. Oh, yeah. I mean, I know that these are just Beanie Weenies, right? Those little smokies, they just take them to another level. I just love them. Well, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.